to great leaders, self-interest is irrelevant. It's not important. It's all the people's interest which is important in all decision making. He makes a very good statement, and I've marked it actually. He makes a very good statement, and he says that never fail the people. He says that running a huge country puts a huge responsibility on the leadership. Very important. That's what I feel personally. Actually, to great leaders, self-interest is irrelevant. It's not important. It's all the people's interest which is important in all decision making and of course implementation and the vision and the goals and the strategy. In everything the people take priority.
2020年3月，在中国政府和人民为抗击疫情努力奋斗的特殊时刻，阿尔韦专程访华。而在巴基斯坦疫情蔓延时，中国派出医疗专家组。随后，巴基斯坦还成为了中国政府对外援助新冠疫苗的第一个受援国。
We were very sure that the way the People's Republic of China has organized itself, the leadership of the Communist Party, People's Communist Party of China, the leadership, President Xi, has played a unique role in the world. A huge population, the most susceptible population, and the way they handled the COVID-19 situation was an example for the rest of the world.
在阿尔维看来，习近平主席领导中国人民经过持续奋斗，到2020年底如期完成新时代脱贫攻坚目标任务，这是了不起的成就。
Probably the world knows how to do poverty alleviation, but to be able to implement the rules and to be able to implement the decisions actually leads to poverty alleviation. So on theory, everything is easy, but there's a commitment of the government, of the resources of the government, for the future of the government, which is important. I think in that respect, President Xi has shown unique leadership. Zheng He, who was the most famous admiral in Chinese history, and he went around up to Africa, and they did not conquer but traded. President Xi considers the fact, and the people of China consider the fact, that the long history of China is a cooperative history with the world. The world must cooperate and needs to cooperate. It cannot continue in a unipolar situation or ignoring the rest of the world. It can't happen. We have to cooperate. Which President Xi communicated was the fact that the world needs better cooperation, better understanding, more peace, and without sacrificing the interests of the people.